Disinfection and cleaning, 2 essential things for a healthy home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. For a home to be free from germs, you need to be good at 2 things: cleaning and disinfecting. Cleaning is simply getting rid of stains and making somewhere or something look more presentable. Disinfecting, on the other hand, is ridding your items, homes, offices, or anything of germs. Some of us mistake cleaning for disinfecting, and that has been a major cause of the spread of infections. The outbreak of the coronavirus is making everybody more health conscious, and the truth is you should be. Hello there, good day. You are welcome once again to another of our exciting blog posts that are aimed at keeping you and your family safe and free from germs. At FastKlean, we make it our duty to cater for your cleaning needs, making it possible to focus your attention on your important things. If you haven't done so, please read our previous blog posts like Top Secrets of a Professional Cleaning and Cleaning with Vinegar May Not Always Be Right. It is always better to clean before disinfecting, and not the other way round. So, how does one clean effectively? Before cleaning, it is safer to wear some disposable gloves. There is no 100% guarantee that it would protect you from infection, and some even argue that it may facilitate the spread. However, if you are not a big fan of gloves, wash your hands regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water. You can also use hand sanitizers that are alcohol-based. Having said that, clean the surfaces of your home with soap and water to reduce dirt, impurities, and germs. Surfaces that are frequently touched should be cleaned more often. Examples of these places include desks, keyboards, faucets, toilets, sinks, countertops. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. And how does one disinfect? Your hand gloves should still be worn for disinfecting. Cleaning gets rid of some of the germs, but the stubborn ones can be removed during disinfecting. There are many disinfectants on the market today, but you can always find the ones that fight against the coronavirus and other deadly organisms. Also, while disinfecting, keep the surface wet for some time to allow the disinfectant to do its work correctly. After disinfecting, be sure to ventilate the room to allow for fresh air into your home. Some health tips while using disinfectants include keeping these chemicals at a safe distance from the reach of children. Label your cleaning and disinfecting solutions properly to prevent unhealthy mixing of chemicals. Wear protection for the skin and eyes in case of splash hazards. Do not use more than required and keep the area well ventilated. Never drink, eat, or ingest these disinfectants and cleaning products as they may be very toxic and harmful to the body. Keep unhealthy people away from the environment whenever you use some of these chemical solutions. Use diluted solutions of the cleaning agents and disinfectants where necessary. Always check for the expiration dates of your cleaning and disinfecting products, because they may cause more harm if used. Always follow instructions on how to use some of these solutions. Use other substitutes for disinfectants like bleach solutions and alcohol-based solutions. Alcohol solutions should have a high level of alcohol. Some basic cleaning tips for the household include cleaning soft surfaces with soap and water or the most appropriate cleaners as specified by the manufacturers. Vacuum your home to keep it free from dust and dirt. Cleaning electronic surfaces with a soft cloth and cover when cleaning if necessary. Launder your clothes according to instructions from the manufacturers. Remove gloves and dispose of them. Also, wash hands thoroughly after cleaning. You are also to wash your hands often, especially when you are done with cleaning. You have had contact with an infected person. After visiting the restroom or contacting pets. before and after checking up on or providing medical assistance to an infected person, after sneezing, coughing, or blowing your nose. Infected people should not eat together with healthy people or share the same properties for as long as he or she is infected. This is a very effective way of reducing the spread of the deadly coronavirus. The spread of the virus is getting out of control, but it is in our hands to fight it together. If you see a case you cannot control, please do not hesitate to contact the relevant professionals. If you were enlightened by this post, please share and like the post, subscribe to our channel, and drop your views and comments. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about top secrets of professional cleaning. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastclean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.